Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUDCAD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 7th April 2021. So this analysis is for 7th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 8th April. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market and you will not miss any opportunity. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So this is the chart of AUDCAD. Okay, this is the chart of AUDCAD, and as you can see right now, market is trading above the 50 moving average. As we all know, for the last 1 month, the market was trading below the 50 moving average. 50 moving average was acting as a valid resistance for the market. Whenever market was going up, it was getting resistance from the 50 MA, and we got plenty of opportunities to short the market and make some money. But this time the picture has changed a little bit, and I told you the reason behind it. Remember this chart. This is the weekly chart of AUDCAD. Okay, this is a weekly chart of AUDCAD, and I showed you how market was taking support at the 50 moving average in the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart, and as we all know, we had this is the chart of the big pairs. So this chart is extremely important. The support and resistances in this chart is very important because these are the demand and supply zones of the bigger players. And as we can see, and I have also already mentioned in my previous week's video that, see, last week market came down but took support at the 50 moving average. This is the this is the candle. And previous week also market took support at the 50 moving average. For the last 2 weeks market was taking support at the 50 moving average. Therefore it was very clear to us that the market will be taking support at 50 moving average and will be bouncing off, and the same thing has happened. Okay, because this is the overall chart of AUDCAD. Just see how market was getting resistance, and once 50 moving average, okay, once 50 moving average came as a support in the weekly chart like this, it started going up. So right now market is in this place. So what should be a strategy then? Okay. As you can see, market has got support now. Okay, therefore shorting the market is not in the cards right now. Therefore we will only be looking for buying opportunity only, because if you go for selling order or selling AUDCAD, then you will be taking a huge risk and you will end up losing money, because market has support. If you short the market here, the market will be reversing from here or here. Okay, therefore uh, the only trade as of now is go for buy order. And where you should buy right now? See, if you buy if you buy here right now, okay, if you buy here right now, then where will you put the stop loss? You put the stop loss somewhere around here. Don't you think this gap is too much where you do not know or you have no idea about the take profit target? Okay, so as I always mention, area of value is always important. Always look for the area of value before executing the trade. In this case, area of value is not here. It will be near the support. Okay, so where is the support right now? We are not sure where is the support right now, but we can see that this level, okay, this level seems to provide a little bit support to the market. Okay, therefore let the market come down a little bit, and we can see that market is already in overbought zone. So market is overbought zone, so there is no point of buying. Let the market cool off a little bit, let the market come down. Okay, do not chase the market, let the price come to you. That is very important rule in the market that most of us do not follow. So as of now market is in overbought zone. Okay, market is overbought. Okay, secondly, area of value is not in our favor, therefore wait for the market. Okay, let the market come down, let the stochastic, let the stochastic come to the oversold zone. When stochastic will be in oversold zone, then look at the position of the price. If you see that the price is somewhere around here or taking support at the 50 moving average in the 4 hours time frame, then we can go for a buy. Okay. So wait for the market or wait for the stochastic RSI to cool down and come to the oversold zone. When stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone and will be moving up, then look at the position of the price. If you see that market is taking support around this level, okay, this is your area of value and you can go for a buy order. But as of now, this is not the area of value, because if you see, first of all, if you place the buy order here, if you place the buy order here, and where will you put the stop loss? Here, okay, and you do not know whether market will go up or not, because see, market has got a resistance also here. So the things are very much not in our favor in this particular position. So let the market or let the price come to you, then grab it. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Okay, so this is the strategy that you can follow for 7th April 2021. So this is the analysis from my own point of view. Thank you so much and God bless you. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel.